This is your extreme weather outlook for this Friday, January 11th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We do have winter storm warnings in place for areas like St. Louis, Indianapolis, and Cincinnati. As we go throughout the next few days, I'll show you the ice and snow potential coming up here in just a moment. We're also watching rounds of California rain as we head over the next week. When those rounds of rain starts to move on into the west coast as we go throughout the day today, I'll show you rainfall totals with that here in just a moment. But our main system is across the central United States, bringing snow to areas like St. Louis by this evening, working its way into the Ohio River Valley as we go into Friday night and then into the mid-Atlantic as we head into the day on Saturday. We do have an expansive area of winter weather concerns stretching from the Rockies all the way out into the mid-Atlantic. And once again, we do have winter storm warnings in place for Cincinnati, Indianapolis, St. Louis, and even just outside of Denver. We'll show you snowfall totals first going west to east. We could see about 4 inches of snow in Denver. Meanwhile, just outside of Denver in that winter storm warning, some places could see up to 14 inches of snow. Taking you now to the central United States, we could see about 8.5 inches of snow in St. Louis, about 6 inches of snow in Indianapolis. Meanwhile, taking you further east, about 5.5 inches of snow out in Cincinnati and 3.4 inches of snow possible in D.C. We'll also be watching the icing potential, especially across parts of the mid-Atlantic as we go into the weekend. Taking you back out west now with that rain moving in today, we could see between about 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch of rain as we go throughout the next several days. Much of this falling today across parts of California and into Saturday, including in the Bay Area and down towards Los Angeles. But we already have another system lining up to move in late in the weekend and into early next weekend, even more rain chances into next week as well. And parts of California over the next 7 days do see the potential of at least 3 to 5 inches of rain.